Hey, turf installers, there is a huge opportunity to get extremely inexpensive leads via social media. This is something that we stumbled across. We work with hundreds of companies in other industries, and one of our companies that we work with also did turf installations. We tried it. It's exploded. We're running this for companies, for turf companies all across the country. It's working everywhere. You can get dozens and dozens of leads, sometimes a week, depending on what your ad budget is, for really cheap. And Carrie here is going to go over some examples and go over just how inexpensively and how many leads you can get. So if you're trying to grow your business, the only thing that you should be doing right now is running ads on social media and pushing as much of your advertising traffic to that as possible, and it's going to rain leads for you. So we are, as far as we know, the only company out here that's working directly one-on-one with turf contractors doing this exact thing. And we'll show you exactly what we're doing here, and we'll show you how effective it is.
All right. So first of all, if you're artificial turf installer, synthetic turf installer, Astro turf, whatever. So what we're going to show you here is where you should be advertising online right now as a turf installation company or a turf installer, whatever you want to call yourself here. And surprisingly, it's not Google ads, right? This is where it's really working right now. So I will quickly share up my screen with you here, and you get to see what we're doing here. So what you're looking at here is the dashboard or the Facebook Ads Manager, which also manages Instagram accounts, because if you didn't know, Facebook owns Instagram, so everything is controlled through this dashboard here. So this is an example, one of our clients here, and you can see here that not only are they doing turf, but they're doing green walls. We can get into that some other time, but turf, you can see here, 20 leads, $18.16 lead. So if we go by total leads of all the different ads that they've had running, 98 leads at $16.97 a lead. Now,
so I just want to pause here and just double down on this. This company signed up for us a month ago, or maybe 6 weeks ago. So 6 weeks ago, this guy was getting probably one lead, maybe a few leads a week. He was doing fine, great company, but wasn't getting enough leads coming in. So he started working with us. And it just lit it up. So in literally 5 or 6 weeks, he said 98 leads. Each customer is either looking for a green wall, they're looking to redo their entire backyard, they're looking to have an entire installation of turf. Each one of those could be $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 jobs, and he's getting the leads for $16. This isn't for all industries. Some industries is extremely expensive. This industry right now is very cheap, but this opportunity closes because as more companies discover this is possible, it starts driving up the cost as more companies are competing for those same consumers. So this opportunity is now, and it's going to last. We don't know. Sometimes it could last months, sometimes years. So, but yeah, carry on, Carrie.
Yeah, it's important to note too is that these leads are exclusive to this client of ours. These aren't being shared with a bunch of them in their area. They're not racing to call them because there's other ones getting the same lead. These are leads generated just for them. So the thing is here within Facebook is that, and Instagram, you are able to target what interests that your possible consumers or your possible clients would be looking for. So what it does is it shows these ads in front of the people that are likely to be interested in what's being offered here. So what I'll do now is I'll just kind of show you what one of the ads looks like. So this is the ad that's doing very well. I mean, it is a video, and this is a video ad that we did for them. Obviously,
so again, just to pause for just 1 second. So just to clarify it. So, once you reach out to us, you say, hey, I want to work with you. And again, we're just month to month. People can cancel anytime. There's no commitment. We don't even charge you anything until leads start coming in. So it's very easy to start working with us. So you say, yes, I'd like to work with you. Great. We start building an ad, whether it's a video ad or a static ad. You just tell us your pricing. You tell us your target areas. You tell us some basic information about your company. We run with everything, and we start putting these ads up. So this is one of 6 or 7 ads that we're running for this company. Right now, they're a bigger company, so they want to run lots of different ads. And back to Carrie here.
Yeah. So Yeah, and this is an ad here that we're running that we did for them. We created all the design for it. Of course, if you want to do it on your own, you could do designs like this on your own. You can do static designs, whatever. We found that this has worked very well for this client here. So just to kind of finish it off here, you can see all the different things that they're doing. There's a photos of installs that they've done, tons of stuff here. So this ad works really, really well.
We'll mention this again at the end, but if you want to get in contact with us, just click a link to the website in the description. It'll go through to a little calendar invite, and it'll schedule a time for us to just chat with you. It's totally free, and we'll just go over more in depth in your area. I just want to mention that now so you don't have to watch the entire video.
Yeah, the link will be in the description below the video. If you want to head over to talk to us and schedule an appointment, we'll go over that a bit later as well. But
so that company's Florida. You got other examples?
Yeah, this example is one in Texas, and this is amazing. We're talking 19 leads at $7.74 a lead. Now, their ad isn't even showing a price. 0 down, 0% interest for 18 months. They're just saying what the payment options are. That's it. And it is pulling lead after lead for them. So as you know, I mean, the turf industry is growing substantially because of the water limitations in a lot of areas. And there's a huge, huge opportunity right now to get leads online via social media, via Facebook and Instagram. So a couple things here that's really important I want to show you is don't forget about Instagram. Now, if you look here at Instagram, 6 leads for this ad, $4.05 a lead. $4 a lead on Instagram. Down here is a little more expensive, a little bit of a different ad, but you can see that still Facebook getting a bunch of leads here. And then also Instagram as well. So what we do, and what's also important when it comes to getting leads in from wherever you advertise or wherever you're doing marketing, is that you need a follow-up system. You can't be just waiting for a phone call. You can't be waiting for an email. You got to have an automated follow-up system. So the Florida company that we were just showing you previously, if we look over here, you can see that these are leads that come in. As soon as a lead comes in, they're notified by text via an app. And you can see that this is so-and-so from Blue Ocean Turf. And here's the people that have filled out the lead forms. Yes, call me back at this time. They're saying what time to call them back without even
this is just today. We're filling this on July 14th. And look at these leads. So that's today, the next ones. So, and just to clarify, and again, we set all this up for you. You don't have to worry about any of this stuff. So you start working with us. We set the ads for you. It goes out and goes in front of consumers. People respond to those ads, and they usually will just message in. They'll type in their name, say, hey, yes, I'm interested. To help you even further, that goes into this thing. It's a software app. You don't have to use this, but most of our contractors do like this. The software app will start automatically communicating with your customers for you. So it'll say, hey, Bob here from such and such, and the customer will respond, hey, yes, I'd like to get a quote on my house. Here's some information. Go, great. When would you like it to come out? So the system will automatically start communicating with your customers for you. So.
Yep. And just more examples here. These are stuff that have come in yesterday. We do get a little bit of a spammy one there. Get an estimate. Here's full follow-up. Wow, this is like a really interesting one here. Talking about
if you scroll up, I think it goes further, that conversation.
Oh yeah.
The customers are sending photos. The trick is, like, you have a great company, you know what you're doing, you're good at what you do, but you need to get exposed and you need people to be able to find you. So get in front of consumers, and there's no better way in the world right now than on social media. But it's not normal social media posts. These aren't passive posts, posting funny memes. These are targeted ads that we're focusing on just the most likely consumers of turf. And that's what really makes this work. That's the magic sauce in the background. It's super narrowly focused on only those consumers that is going to work on.
Exactly. So just thought, we'd show you what you can do right now if you want to do some of your own advertising, or marketing. If you'd like us to take care of all this for you, head over to our website here, which is resultsgrow.com/more-turf-leads. That link will be in the description below this video. So you can click there to head over here. You can find out a bit more about us, see what we do here. So as you can see, as Steve mentioned earlier, 100% do not pay until you get your first lead. So you do not pay us until you get your first lead. and then find out a little more. You can see some of our reviews. You can fill out the form here to pick a time that you want us to give you a call and talk to you further. You can see some of the recent client results down here if you want to take a closer look and read through some of the frequently asked questions if you want. So head over here again, resultsgrow.com/more-turf-leads. And again, link is in the description below, and come over. That the consultation is 100% free, no obligation. We'll talk to you. We'll show you what's working. We'll talk to you about your business. And even if you do things like green walls, we can help you with that. If you do xeriscaping, we can do that. We can work with you on that too.
Landscaping, pavers, all this stuff works. We're bringing up turf because turf is just exploding right now. So that's specifically what you want. Great. If you've made it this deep in the video, honestly, do this. It can change your life. It can change your business. Do you want, an unlimited amount of cheap leads for dirt cheap? This literally can change your entire business. You could have money and sales flooding in from this. That's not BS. It's happening for a lot of companies all over the country. Contact us and we'll show you exactly what to do. We'll dig in deeper to your exact area. We'll show you some examples from your areas.
Yeah. So thanks very much. Hopefully we'll be talking to you soon. And again, feel free to fill out the form here on our website with the link in the description below, and set up a time, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.